Hey everyone, so really quickly, I just want to film an Ulta haul for you. It was kind of one of those things where it was my birthday month, so I had all of these extra points I could earn, and I just went for it. So it's mostly stuff I just needed, but there's some fun things too. I'll do the fun things first. The first thing is this Venus Extra Small Silver Palette from Lime Crime. I'll insert swatches here. The video that I did for this is probably already up. I did a tutorial and the swatches were also over there too. I'm also wearing it now because I just did the tutorial, but I'm putting that up first. I was really impressed with this. I can see myself buying more from Lime Crime now that they are at Ulta. And I was just really craving a cool toned palette, and this fit the bill. I didn't have to use any other palettes, and I'm very happy with it. Next is something else that you probably noticed. This is on my nails. It is the Essie Gel Couture in Model Clicks. This is my second Gel Couture shade from them. I bought one that was a lighter color earlier this year, I think, or maybe the end of last year, and I couldn't stand it. You're supposed to do 2 coats, and then it's supposed to just last forever with the top coat. I loved the top coat. I hated the polish. So I've been meaning to try another shade because I hate to just try one shade and then that's it. So I just picked this one up. I just painted my nails with it today. It went on a lot nicer. It was a lot smoother. I did only need 2 coats, and hopefully it will wear because with darker nails, I just hate to have to keep doing them. Next up, in case you didn't know, Beauty Bakery is now at Ulta. I was really, really, really excited for this. I picked up their Better Not Bitter Flower Setting Powder, and I've read that the packaging is different. I guess it's not supposed to be like this. I was surprised at how small it was. I forget how much it was, but I was like, wow. Like when I got it, I'm like, really, this is it? I mean, maybe like product-wise, maybe you get the same amount and the packaging's just smaller, but I was kind of surprised. I've worn it a few times. Honestly, I'm not really that impressed with it. I don't know if I had it build up in my head because everybody else was just talking constantly about how fantastic it was. But really for me, I like the Too Faced Peach Matte Setting Powder. I forget what it's called. Sephora has it. I like that so much better. I think that it just looks better on my skin. It brightens better under my eyes. This is the translucent shade, and because the middle shade that I did want was unavailable. So, but yeah, I mean, I would not repurchase it. I think I'll use it, especially, like, it does seem to keep me matte well, but I would not replace the Too Faced with it. Next is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I got the shade Ash Brown. I've been looking for a dupe for the Kat Von D one that I use because it is so expensive. And this, I think, is $9.99 normally, but it was on sale for $6.99. And I wish I would have got more. I have it on right now. It's all I have on right now other than my Gimme Brow, which I use to, like, color the hairs before I fill them in so it doesn't look as crazy insane. I really like this. I would buy this again, and when they do their buy one get one half off or whatever, I will be stocking up. Oh, and with Lime Crime, you got this like little free trial packet of hair coloring, unicorn hair. I got the shade Bunny. They let you pick whatever shade you wanted. I got Bunny for my daughter because she's into it and she's been wanting me to dye her hair. So I got one other thing that I showed you, but I'm going to cut it out because it was a Christmas present, and I'm afraid they're going to watch this. This is the Vivid Smoky Quartz eye pencil. I swatched it in store, and I really liked it, and I kept thinking about it. It's such a deep, dark, nice chocolate shade. So next, I got some hair care. This is the Joico shampoo and conditioner for, it says Color Balance Purple. So I clearly get my hair done. My roots are terrible, and I'm going next week to get this handled. But I do this, I should do it once a week. I probably do it once every other week. But I use those to just kind of maintain that without it getting too brassy because I will pull very warm. And then they were doing a buy 2 get 1 free. So I just got this smoothing balm to try out. I don't know if you guys have ever used it. Let me know. but I'm running low on my favorite one, so I thought it's free. Let's try it. So I got a skincare item from Kate Somerville that I haven't had in a while, but I like to use this in the winter. It's her oil-free moisturizer, and it's great for oily skin. It's oil-free, and it just hydrates me more at night, and I don't have to worry about waking up with like a tight face or anything. It's expensive. It's like 60 bucks, so I only use it in the winter usually. But it's really, I'm old enough that I should probably use it year round, and then even more extra things in the winter, but so it was like a stock up. Oh, and I also had a 20% off code, so that's why this happened also. Next, I just got 2 CeraVe Hydrating Micellar waters. It says they're new. I used to use the Yes to Carrots or Yes to Cucumbers one, and they don't sell it anymore anywhere, and I died because these micellar waters can really break me out, and the Yes to never did. But this one actually gets more off than that one did, and it doesn't break me out either. And it says cleanses, hydrates, removes makeup, and helps restore protective skin barrier. And it has hyaluronic acid, 3 essential ceramides, and a word I can't pronounce. So love that. I also got this kind of on a recommendation from one of my last videos about washing brushes. I think it was my BoxyCharm one that somebody recommended. This is just a shadow swatching pan. So essentially you can clean your brush with this and like keep swatching or reuse it with something else. There was supposedly, someone said, a really, really inexpensive one at Ulta. I couldn't find it on the website. There was this one, and then there was another one that was a little bit cheaper. I ended up going with this one because the other one had really not great reviews, and these ones' reviews were a little better, so I went with that. And finally, I just needed more blotting papers, and I didn't want to pay absorbent amounts of money, so I'm trying out the Ulta Beauty Green Tea Blotting Paper Kit. All it is 50 blotting papers, an applicator sponge. I guess if you need to fix, like, I better not blot my face with these and have my makeup come off. I'll be mad. And then 5 adhesives in a mirror. I don't know why you need adhesive. Okay, so it tells you what you need to do. So you remove the protective paper from the application sponge to reveal an adhesive. Press the puff applicator onto a sheet of blotting paper to attach. Lightly pat onto oily areas of face, focusing on forehead, cheeks, and chin. If stickiness of strip fades, peel the strip from the puff and replace it. Extra adhesive included. I mean, I kind of like that. Do other ones have that? I had some from e.l.f. that were okay, but that I thought could like be better. That's why I wanted to try these. I wonder if that worked, because it had a sponge, and I was like, why do I have this sponge? Why I don't need that. But I thought it was just to apply your makeup if you needed to. That's it for my Ulta Beauty haul. It was a little boring. I mean, the main reason I actually added in the lime crime was because I'm like, this is the most boring haul ever. It's all hair and skin, and there's like nothing really super fun. I want an eyeshadow palette. I want something fun. So I got something fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.